should know what that organization strategy is. If you do not, ask your leader, hey, what is the organizational strategy which it pertains to this project or what it pertains in general to the organization? Being able to have these organizational strategy or what the organizational strategy is, it would align you better when you are in those conflicts with stakeholders who are like, well, why are we doing this? Why do we have to be aligned and committed to this? Well, let me explain the reason why. The reason why is because it affects this area, that area. Most of the times when you run a project, I always try to find out, is this a cost type project, meaning are we saving money, or are we growing revenue? Is this a resource? So I look at it from that advantage point, because what happens is you can use that as a conversation with your stakeholders, because a lot of times stakeholders don't even know why they're on this project. Like, yeah, they know they've been assigned, but what is the value? What is it in it for them? And we as project managers, we have to think of that. That's why it's important for project management, because we can sell this better.